So today on Stauffer Garage, we are flipping this Scion XD. I picked this car up for super cheap wholesale, and I'm going to be flipping it for profit. I purchased it for $2,500, and it is nasty. That is the main reason why the purchase price was as low as it was. It is full of dog hair, it's filthy, and if you've ever cleaned a dog hair type vehicle, it is a pain to get it completely clean. But I'm going to show you how I did it today, and at the very end, we will break down the actual profit and cost to sell this thing and turn a profit. So if you are new, hit subscribe down below. Let's tear apart this interior and get this thing looking like new. So the center console removed. You got this, which you all know what that is because we got those. So yeah, glad I pulled the center console out because I was wondering why this car smelled so bad. Now when it comes to flipping, time is always money. So the faster I can get this clean, the faster I can get it listed, the faster I can sell it and make profit. So if you are flipping cars or if you're detailing an air gun of some sort or a tornador to blow out any dirt and grime in the carpets, in the door panels, just makes vacuuming easier, but it also sometimes even eliminates vacuuming altogether. So compressed air is a must-have detailing or when you're flipping cars. So in these videos I upload to YouTube, I don't have the time to dump my entire knowledge base when it comes to flipping cars, on how to find these cars, how to sell them, how to make profit. All of that is encapsulated in my Car Flipping 101 course that I have linked down below so you can check it out. It's on sale for holiday season. The price is going to go up. So if you have not picked it up already, definitely click that link down in the description box. Order it today, invest in yourself, because it is the new year coming up soon, and why not make some extra money flipping cars? Now to ensure that my vacuum wasn't going to explode, I had to change out the sock filter. That thing was stuffed with dog hair from this car. Now when it comes to door panels or armrests that get greasy and grimy, especially in these super nasty cars that you can make the most profit on, I like to use an APC for those door panels and inserts with the drill brush. Sometimes a degreaser is even used, which speeds up the process. It's a more harsh chemical. But if you work fast and you clean it off, it doesn't cause any harm. But yeah, sometimes you have to go to harsh measures to get some of these cars cleaned. Now for any of the fabric inside the vehicle for carpets or seats, if you're going to do an extraction, I like to use this combo of product that I've found that works the best. It's called BioBreak. It's a powdered rinse formula, and then I also throw in a scoop of OxyClean that you would use for your laundry. That combo with 5 gallons of hot water and then put it in your extractor, that is the best process that I have found to clean from grease, grime, oils, dirt, everything. It kind of is a catch-all for all different types of things that you'll come across. But if, like I said, compressed air is a big thing. All of this dirt that you see being blown off would have had to been extracted or would have soaked into the actual fabric and the cushion of the seat. Whereas with an air gun, you can blow all that out, so you speed up your extraction process and ensure that you get it completely cleaned.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove.
Like I said earlier, time is money. When you have plastic panels that don't have any fabric or any buttons or switches on them, use a pressure washer. Just don't get super close so you don't put an indentation in the plastic. But just speeding up your detail is key if you're doing flipping, if you're doing lot details, or if you're doing it professionally. Trying to figure out ways to save time is always of the essence because your dollar per hour just skyrockets.
Baby, I got you. 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 I got baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete.
Now, I'm a big dog lover, but when it comes to stickers on a car, I always remove all the stickers I can, unless they're on the paintwork and then it causes an issue. Removing stickers on glass is an easy thing to do because you don't know who the next owner is and you don't know what stickers they like or if they like stickers at all. I highly recommend not having stickers for that reason because it will damage your paint. But if you have any, remove them as best you can so that way there's no hesitations for a potential buyer.
Distance, no matter the rules. Yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove.
So I picked this car up for $2,500. Now, taxes on initial purchase was $175 at 7% sales tax. Other fees like the DMV is about $100. And then I'm not counting my detailing time in this flip, but I sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $4,000, which gave me a net profit of $1,225 very, very quickly. It only took me a total of maybe 10 hours in total from buy, clean, to actually sell and actually spending time on it. And when people always ask me about that profit, if you're running multiple cars at the same time, that profit adds up super quick. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more car flipping tips and videos, and definitely check out that car flipping 101 course, link down below so you guys can maximize your profit and learn more about flipping.